Hey everyone, this is my Milestone 2 final project for Angry Birds. So I'm just going to demo the features that I got implemented. Right off the bat we can see that we have all of the birds here. I'm going to ignore a lot of stuff that's happening and just go down the list of different features. So we have the red bird, the normal bird, and its ability, which I'll demo right now. You can see, it just flies. The animations update as the bird flies, and depending if it hits anything as well. Blue bird here splits into 3. White bird will drop an egg, which explodes. The yellow bird, which like torpedoes. Green bird here does a boomerang effect, and then the black bird, which will explode if you left click. So you can reload a level by pressing 1, 2, or 3, and then you can toggle the debug shapes with O and P. So as you can see, all of the shapes have the correct appearance. I'll move back over here and you can see the triangle shapes and circle shapes also have the correct bounding volumes. That demos manifold shapes, and then I'll also demonstrate collisions are happening with these shapes. I kind of already did, but just in case. Alright, so the damage images for birds and pigs. I don't have pigs implemented, but the birds do. If you look closely, you can see that they actually switch to their damaged, dizzy face once you hit something. And the bird here, you can see it changes as well. And also, yeah, same thing with the other birds here. So there are a few issues with the game, but generally it's pretty playable. Continue down the list. Alright, so I don't have pigs. So I don't have pigs with or without helmets. Sounds as well. I do have just the basic theme playing. I disabled it for this video, but I can re-enable it right here. So you could probably hear that very faintly, but Angry Birds theme is playing. I just didn't have enough time to implement all of the sounds. So it would be pretty straightforward to set up like a singleton sound controller class. Let's see, what else? Okay. Camera movement, we already saw that with a few of the birds, but once you release from the slingshot, it follows. Once the bird collides with something, it resets the camera back to its initial position. When you activate, it freezes and lets the animation play out. Smoke ring when flying, as you can see, this happens with every single bird, as well as when you transform the blue bird into the 3. And then the requirements from Milestone 1, which I've demoed as well, are the blocks, glass, wood, and stone. They all collide. You can see some of them are broken, some of them aren't. So yeah, I have multiple levels with these demos. Background image loaded all up in here. Slingshot works. The rubber band isn't 100%, but it's almost there. The health system for the blocks works as well. You can see that the blocks get destroyed in the release particle systems. So, that. We do have the collision animations for each of these block types as well. Let's see what else. Okay, so secondary animation, you can see that the birds are jumping. They blink, they move their mouth a bit. That's only when they're in this waiting state here. So if I restrict the game with the initial birds, we can see that they all do this. And we can actually play a level of Angry Birds here. Let's see if we can okay, so that destroyed quite a bit. It's quite powerful there. I did not do that very well. Well, here we go. This will be good. And bam. All those blocks are destroyed. Let's see what else. So particles, as you can see, when we destroy blocks, the smoke puffs are released, as well as bird feathers. When blocks are destroyed, they also release different particles depending on what type they are. Smoke rings, as the bird flies, we already have that. Explosions, the black bird does explode, as well as the egg that's dropped from the white bird. Alright, let's see. So, a few things that I have missing. So I have multiple demos, but I don't have the demo with ropes, gears, or joints. But I do have a PA with those, so I mean it wouldn't be that difficult to implement. I just did not have time right now. Other than that, I did demo the tackling of debug shapes. Yeah, I mean, pigs and sounds are the two other things that I don't have implemented. Pigs, very similar to the block system for handling damage and animations and updates and everything. If I wanted to make it more object-oriented, then I would abstract that away. But for the purposes of this class, which is learning game physics, I think I have a lot better understanding of Fox 2D and how physics work in a game. So, alright, that's everything. Thanks for watching.